Dances down the track and lifts it straight over long on. Is it a 6? Yes, it is. Brilliant batting under pressure. The crowd.
Oh, that was brilliant. Amazing. What a shot.
And that's a brilliant drive to the boundary. What a moment. Singh has turned the game on its head here. The run rate is looking much better now. That's a huge shot. 6 runs, definitely.
What a boundary. Fantastic.
Look at this. A realistic IPL crowd video with broadcast graphics, stadium atmosphere, and real-looking people. And no, this is not real footage. AI made this. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do this yourself, completely free. Here's what we'll cover. First, how to generate a realistic IPL crowd image using ChatGPT or Gemini. Second, how to convert that image into a video using Flow, Gemini, or Qwen Studio. All free, all beginner friendly. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating the image. Open ChatGPT or Gemini. We're going to use a very specific prompt to get that realistic IPL broadcast look. I'll share the prompt in the description. Just comment prompt below and I'll send it to you directly. Copy the prompt and paste it in. The prompt tells the AI exactly what we want. A stadium crowd shot, telephoto lens feel, broadcast graphics, live tag, scoreboard, everything that makes it look like a real TV broadcast. And look at the output. It already looks like a real IPL telecast crowd shot. The stadium lighting, the crowd in the background, the broadcast overlay, all generated by AI. If you're not happy with the first result, just run it again. Tweak small words in the prompt. AI images improve with small changes. Step 2. Bringing the image to life. Now we take this image and convert it into a short video clip. We have 3 free options: Flow, Gemini, and Qwen Studio. Let me show you all 3 so you can pick what works best for you. Open Google Flow and create a new project. Upload your image. Now paste the video prompt. This tells the AI exactly how the characters should move. Subtle head turns, blinking, mild reactions, just like a real crowd cam moment. Click Settings and select the video option. Choose Ingredients and set the ratio to 16:9. Since video generation uses more credits, select just one output and choose VO 3.1 Lite. It costs only 10 credits. Hit Generate and wait. Usually done in under a minute. And here's the output. See how natural that looks? The crowd is moving, the stadium atmosphere is there, and the characters react like real people, not like AI robots. That's the power of a well-written prompt. Now let's do the same using Qwen, which is completely free and gives equally impressive results. Open Qwen and log in. Click the plus button and select Create Video. Upload the same image and paste the video prompt. Hit Generate and give it a couple of minutes. And here's the Qwen output. Notice the difference. Qwen handles subtle natural movements really well. Great for this type of crowd cam style content. One quick note, if you have a Google Pro account, you can also use Gemini to generate videos directly. And here's a tip for students. Google offers Pro free for 1 year. Worth checking out. Quick tips before you try this yourself. 1. Always use the exact prompt I've shared. Do not shorten it, the details matter. 2. If the face looks off, fix the image first before moving to video generation. 3. Qwen works best for subtle natural movements. Don't expect action sequences from it. That is it. A realistic IPL style AI video created using free tools in under 10 minutes. Try it yourself and drop your result in the comments. I'd love to see what you create. Thanks for watching UTCI Studio. AI powered, creativity fueled. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, as always, keep learning, keep building, and keep creating with AI.